Today's the last day of Negroni week, so we need to go out with something fancy. So today we're gonna make a
Negroni.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Sbagliato. With Prosecco in it.
Oh.
Yes, the cocktail that went viral because of House of Dragons. Now, it's times like these where I'm actually thankful for a viral video, because the Negroni Sbagliato is one of those cocktails that kind of went to the wayside, and so many bartenders had no idea what it was when that video hit the internet. Now, the Sbagliato is kind of legendary. It was created in 1972 at Bar Basso in Milan, Italy, by a bartender named Mirko Sochetto. Now, it's said that it was a mistake. Mirko was reaching for a bottle of gin, accidentally grabbed Prosecco, poured it in, and then history is made. Whether it's true or not doesn't matter. What matters is we have the cocktail today. And sometimes the legends are better than the truth. Let's get started. This is a cocktail you build directly into the glass. This is my Virtuoso wine glass from Libby's. 13 ounces, the perfect size to give enough aeration, and it makes the cocktail look really nice. We start by placing an orange slice down the bottom. Got a big cube here, let's break it up. Now typically, this is one of those equal parts cocktails. I want to bump up the citrus in this, so I'm going to add some orange bitters. 2, 3, 4, 5 dashes. If you're using a regular dasher bottle, then just do 2. Since it is a Negroni, we're going to go with the Campari. Go with 1 ounce, 30 mils of our Campari. Then we're going to go with Noli Pratt's Vermouth Rouge, 1 ounce or 30 mils. Now, the Sbagliato does change out the gin for sparkling, but why can't we have a little bit of both? So you can go with Ford's gin. And we're gonna add a 1/2 ounce or 15 mils Ford's gin. Now let's just give this a gentle stir. Now for our Prosecco. So typically it's 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, but I like a little bit more sparkling. So we're gonna go equal parts of our sparkling to our concoction we have in here. So we're gonna go with about 2.5 ounces. And let's drop another little orange slice right on top. And there it is, our Negroni Sbagliato. Now you don't need to add the gin, okay? It's absolutely not necessary. I put that little bit of a 1/2 ounce in there just to give it a little more oomph and to give it a little bit more herbalness. But that is a perfect cocktail for the last day of summer and the first day of fall. It's bright, it's refreshing, it's citrusy, it's a little bitter, it's a little sweet. It's everything. It's perfect. Cheers to the last day of Negroni week. So good. Now, if you missed any of my Negroni week cocktails, click right there for all of them. You want to check out some of my cheap, easy, and quick meals? Click up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.